friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about mu test for convergence of first kind of improper integral in real analysis. How you can say that a function is convergence and how you can say a function is divergent. It is quite difficult but not so difficult, but here I am going to study about with applying mu test. This is very simple and easy to understand mu test, and with this, the help of this function, we can easily identify function is convergent or divergent. So let's understand how function is convergent and divergent identify with the two steps. First step says that let fx is bounded and integrable. Let function is bounded and integrable on closed interval a to comma b when a is greater than 0 and b is of course greater than a. So if there exists is a mu which is a mu test, when it is called mu test, so which is greater than 1 such that limit x tends to infinite and x की power mu into fx exist, then you can say this is a mu test and function is convergent. So to prove that function is convergent, x की power mu into fx and under limit x tends to infinite exist and the value of mu is greater than 1 when you choose mu. In this test we have to choose value of mu. So when you value of choose and it is greater than 1, then you can say that function is convergent. And what is condition if mu is less than 1? So let's understand how mu less than 1, the condition is for divergent also. So take a second step. If there exists of number mu which is less than or equal to 1 such that limit x tends to infinite x की power mu into fx dx exists, and integration a to infinite fx dx is divergent. Let's understand both of them before taking an example. You can easily verify with this. Let's take a question which is based on to check function is convergent or not. Let's take an example of 0 to I'll take infinite and x square upon take dx also k square plus x square of whole square. Okay, so let's understand what is this function of this is f of x is equals to x square upon k square plus x square की whole square. Okay, this is the function, and when you apply mu test, so write down here applying mu test. By mu test, limit x tends to infinite x की power mu into fx. So x की power mu into fx. So what is the function fx? Fx is this. So you have to write down here fx की value. Limit x tends to infinite x की power mu into function fx is x square upon k square plus x square whole square. Solve it. X square upon, open the whole square of a square plus b square like k की power 4 plus x की power 4 plus 2 k square x square. This is x square. Okay, this is the whole square open, and you can see that here x की power 4 and x square, so x square is both of them had common, so you can take if you take x की power 4 common, then you have to find under x square, and you can override cut this cancel out this term, and then you can easily identify function is convergent or divergent. So take x की power mu into x square upon, here I am giving a common x की power 4. So what is here k की power 4 upon x की power 4 and plus 1 of course, so plus 2k square upon x square. I hope it will be clear. Okay, so this is the function when you can take. After that, taking x की power mu into function which is 1 upon x square, and below of this function 1 plus k power 4 upon x की power 4 plus 2k square upon x square. This is the function which I have. After that you can choose mu. So here I am choosing mu. Choose mu 2. Okay, is it greater than 1? So we can choose mu is equals to 2. After that, next x tends to infinite, and x की power, you have to take a mu, and x की power 2 is when you take a reciprocal of this, then it will becomes x की power minus mu minus 2, and this function is same as this one, 4 plus 2k square upon x square. With this function you can see that when you take a 2 of this function, then 2 minus 2 is equals to 0, and x की power 0, it will become x की power 0, and upon this नीचे function नहीं रहेगा, तो x की power 0 is equals to क्या होगा 1, and of course when you take this function, then x की power 0 is 1 by 1, so because here is 1, and when you take x tends to infinite, then also it is 0, so this is a 1, and x 1 by 1 is this finite also, so you can take it as finite, and when it is finite, then you can easily say that when function is finite, then it is function is convergent. So you can say the function is convergent, that is mu test is convergent. Then easily you can say that mu test is convergent. So in this video you can understand how function can say a function is convergent or divergent when you apply this function, and you have to choose mu according to your perception, your question. So when this is becomes a 0, and when function is finite, then it will be 1, and you can any particular it give any particular number, and it is if not convergent, then it will becomes a plus infinite and minus infinite, then you can say function is divergent. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share your all friends, and if you have any query, then you can comment me and share your all friends, and thanks for watching.